Oh, shit, I'm not ready. The rooster crow. Well, guys, welcome back to work. I know it's Monday, I know it's early, but I called you all together for a specific reason. We need to brainstorm some ideas about the new children's charity fund. Marcus, can you give us anything?
Well, yeah, we could go to the local orphanage.
Well, Marcus, that's a fucking shit idea.
I didn't even...
Oh, I got a message. Yep, the boss is saying that's a shit idea.
Hey, you didn't even let him talk. He wasn't even done speaking,
I
man.
didn't finish.
What?
If you have something to fucking say it in my mouth, why don't you do it in front of everyone?
I'm literally doing it in front of everyone now. You didn't let
You're
me finish.
escalating this way too
I
much.
got a bunch of smart guys here.
Well,
Why don't you just fucking run the company then,
I'm
huh?
not- No, guys.
Listen,
I just...
Marcus. Wait, you're also Marcus?
He's
Who
also-
the
No,
fuck
it's fine.
is... What?
What?
No, it's fine. I'll just leave. You
Marcus.
guys just have fun
Marcus.
running a multi-billion-dollar corporation.
That's not what we're
You asked me a
saying.
question, I was answering.
He was asking the
Shit.
Well,
question.
you,
I
why,
don't give a fuck.
why are you being like this?
Marcus.
I'm right now.
Are you okay?
I'm going to the bathroom to masturbate.
This is inappropriate.
I've masturbated on that toilet before. It's a good toilet to jack it through.
I agree.